Understanding the types of goods and services tax, GST, in India. 1. CGST, Central Goods and Services Tax. Levied by the central government. Applicable on, intrastate, within the same state, supply of goods and services. Purpose, to collect revenue for the central government. Example, if a product is sold within Karnataka, both CGST and SGST will be levied. 2. SGST, State Goods and Services Tax. Levied by the state government. Applicable on, intrastate, within the same state, supply of goods and services. Purpose, to collect revenue for the state government. Example, in the same transaction within Karnataka, SGST will be levied along with CGST. 3. IGST, Integrated Goods and Services Tax. Levied by the central government. Applicable on, interstate, between different states, supply of goods and services and on imports and exports. Purpose, to ensure a seamless flow of tax credits across states and to avoid the cascading effect of taxes. Example, if a product is sold from Karnataka to Tamil Nadu, IGST will be levied. 4. UTGST, Union Territory Goods and Services Tax. Levied by the Union Territory Government. Applicable on, intra-UT, within the same Union Territory, supply of goods and services. Purpose, similar to SGST, but applicable in Union Territories. Example, if a product is sold within a Union Territory like Chandigarh, both CGST and UTGST will be levied. Explanation of how these taxes work together. Intrastate transactions. For transactions within a state, both CGST and SGST are levied. The tax collected is shared between the central and state governments. For example, if the GST rate is 18%, 9% will go to the central government, CGST, and 9% to the state government, SGST. Interstate transactions. For transactions between states, IGST is levied. The revenue from IGST is divided between the central and state governments based on a predetermined formula. For instance, if the GST rate is 18%, the entire 18% is charged as IGST, and then the central government transfers the respective share to the state where the goods or services are consumed.